Hello everybody and welcome back to another video by me, Steve Cluz. Right now today I have the Indesit washer dryer that I purchased from Very. This is £419 on Very. Right, before you actually turn this thing on, make sure you remove the transit bolts, and these are the back of the washer dryer. There's 4 of them. And it actually shows you instructions of how to remove everything. Just make sure everything's okay. These bolts here, they are quite tight. You will need a spanner to take these out. These transit bolts, they are quite tight. But yeah, when you take them out anyway, you should have an hole like that. That's okay, don't worry about that, that's fine. So make sure you've got one of these spanners. It says the size is 10. It says 10. So you need make sure you've got a spanner. Otherwise, if you turn it on, like I say, you don't take them out, the dryer will basically the washer itself will basically not work, because these they hold the drum to stop the drum from spinning in transit. That's why they're called transit bolts. Yeah, so bear in mind, and make sure as well you take out the plastic bare as well, not just the bolt, the plastic part as well. Yeah, just bear in mind when you buy these, because some people like just connect it up and say, oh, it's broke, and it's because they haven't took them out. Alright, back with the video. Right, I've actually connected this up now. It does actually come with spare pipe, but obviously I already had one, so I just use the old one. So I've got one spare. That's a good thing. You do get a few things inside. You do get this. These are for cover the holes at the back. I'll put these on later. I forgot them on. You don't really need them on, but I suppose it's good to have them on, I suppose. These are the holes that cover the transit bolts. And also, I'm not quite sure what that is, but there's something here. Something to do with something. I don't know what it is. You obviously get the energy efficient rating thing. What's this? Indesit. I'm just basically showing what you get inside. It actually shows you how to connect the washer up, but now to properly do it. But it does actually explain that anyway when you first unpack it anyway at the top. There's a 10-year warranty. You need to activate this on the front. It does actually say that's how you activate it there. I'm surprised. It's actually come with these non-stop scent things, and these are supposed to be smell really nice as well. So it's great that you get a free sample of that and all inside the washer dryer. And this is where you need to activate it to register now. Make sure you register straight away. As soon as you get it, make sure you register, because that obviously makes that so you've you've got like 10-year, well, it's 10-year parts guarantee, but you also get a 1-year manufacturer guarantee and all. So yeah, it's quite smart. I'm going to try it out now. Right, I've actually found out what that plastic piece was, what was inside the washer itself. It's for here, for the soap drawer. It's just a little compartment that you pour down here. It actually shows you on the front, if you can see, the measurements. You just basically put it down there. So that's that. So now at least you know what that's for. And so when you get this, if you do buy this, make sure that this piece goes here. Yeah. Right now I've put some washing in. I've also used one of these Wilkinson's bio tablet things, so I put all inside there. I've set it to 13 on here, which is wash and dry at 45. Yeah, I'm just going to press start, and basically what I'm going to do is I'm just actually going to show you what it sounds like when it's on. So turn it on. It's on at full speed now. Look how quiet that is. Look how quiet that is. Can't even tell it's on. Wow, that is quiet. It's probably one of the quietest washer dryers I've actually ever had. Let's keep the seat spinning there. That is nice. Ooh, it's gone to focus. Yeah, that was nice. So say these are all the controls here, and it's got a push and go button. And this is basically means a quick wash. That means if you're in a hurry. Any little settings this side. Yeah, I do actually like this. I like it because it's a big drum for a start, and it's a washer dryer for another start, and it saves energy as well because it's energy efficient. It's just easy to use because you've got all the instructions, everything like that, and plus it's got that time thing on here where you can set it. So you can set it so it goes off, the washer starts at a certain time, that button is there for. And this is for spin, that's for temperature. And there's a few buttons here, what they do, I don't know, I haven't tried them. But yeah. That is quiet. I mean, it's just filling up now, but it's quite nice. If you want to buy this washer dryer, I will put a link in the description below. Obviously it's from Very. But apart from that, I mean, yeah. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and all. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I have a lot of people that watch the videos but don't actually subscribe. I need people to subscribe more because otherwise, if people don't subscribe more, I won't have no subscribers. So I need more subscribers. Thanks. I'm not actually that desperate, to be honest with you. I just want more subscribers. Yeah. Hope you enjoyed the video anyway. And thanks for watching. Bye.